If you clicked on this video, there's a good chance that you're frustrated, tired, and you're probably about this close to quitting dropshipping altogether.
If you're still trying to get rich with dropshipping in 2026, you're already losing money and you might not even know.
It's just not sustainable in the long term.
I'll be sharing with you why I quit the standard method of dropshipping.
Yes, I
never
did.
be starting a dropshipping store again.
And I get it. You're not making the sales that you expected. You're posting content that nobody cares about. You're testing products that looked amazing on TikTok, but your store looks, I guess, like a graveyard at this point. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you're wondering if this whole thing was even worth starting in the first place. But before you do quit, check this video out and do what I'm telling you today. Because 99% of new dropshippers don't fail because dropshipping doesn't work. They fail because they're making the exact same mistakes over and over again, without knowing how close they are to actually getting their breakthrough. So today I'm gonna walk you through 6 of the biggest reasons that people give up, and the simple fixes that can change everything for you, starting today. And the best part, you don't need to lock yourself in the room for the next 24 hours. You don't need to grind every single day until your eyes fall out. You just simply need to adjust what you're doing, and suddenly everything is gonna start to click. So let's get right into it. Here's the first reason that you're not making sales. Simply put, your marketing sucks. And I'm saying that with love. Most beginners post one video, they see it get 200 views, and they immediately decide the product is trash. But that's not what's actually happening. What's happening is that you aren't testing enough angles. You're not telling different stories. You're not trying new hooks. Your hook is the single most important thing of your marketing. If your hook doesn't stop someone in the first 3 seconds, nothing else you say is gonna matter. Your demo, your features, your benefits, none of it. So instead of giving up, try this today. Test 3 totally different hooks for the same product. One emotional hook, one curiosity hook, and one problem-solving hook. Post more content. Experiment more. Your job isn't to post a perfect video. It's to find the version of that video that finally gets traction. And when you do, dude, I'm telling you, the whole game is gonna change for you. Now, the second reason that people quit dropshipping is simply poor product selection. I know it feels like you can just pick a product because you see one person making money with it online. But look, the truth is in this part that winners are chosen strategically, not emotionally. I mean, some are emotional purchases, but you need to be strategic about it. If your product doesn't solve a pain point, if it doesn't spark curiosity, or if it doesn't have some sort of social proof, it's probably not a winner. And this is where the AutoDS Handpicked Products Hub becomes your best friend. Instead of guessing, you get access to products that are already vetted, already researched, and already performing for real stores. Another thing that you can do is, let's say if you're shopping on AliExpress, you can take the time to actually read through the reviews on the supplier side. Look at the photos that customers upload. Look for strong social proof across multiple sources. Look on TikTok Shop, look on Amazon, look on TikTok. And don't just rely on listings. Order a sample. See how it feels and see how it's packaged. Confirm the quality for yourself. That one step alone can save you weeks of testing a product that was doomed from the start. And the third reason that people quit is simply because there's bad suppliers. And listen, this one hurts because it sneaks up on you really. Like, this is something that a lot of people don't notice from the beginning. You'll think that your product is the problem, but really, it's your supplier. It's the one that you picked. You can have slow shipping, damaged items, wrong variations, terrible communication. Nothing will destroy a beginner's confidence faster than a few refunds and a few chargebacks that aren't your fault. The solution for this is simple. Just use vetted suppliers. Use suppliers that have consistent reviews, proven shipping times, and reliable communication. You can find this all through social proof. You can find this through the supplier's reviews. And also, AutoDS has private suppliers that are built right into the platform, which means that you're not dealing with random sellers who might disappear tomorrow or might change their prices from one minute to the next. Again, always order sample, test their communication, check their handling times, and this will help you out in the long term because if the supplier sucks, your business is going to suffer even if you have a good product. So now let's talk about something that beginners consistently underestimate, and that's product descriptions. A lot of people think that their product isn't selling when the truth is that it's their words that aren't selling. You could have the best product in the world, but if your description feels generic, robotic, or if it simply confuses people, people are going to click off. Your title also matters on this part. Your hero sentence matters. The way that you frame the benefits matters. Everything matters. If writing isn't your strength, you need to fix this today because it's super simple to do. Just use an AI assistant like ChatGPT or use the AutoDS title and description optimizer because it's literally built to take your listings and rewrite it with the right keywords, the right structure, and the right tone for conversations. So you don't need to be a copywriter. You just have to use better tools and make your listing sound like something that a real human actually wants to buy. All right, next up is your product images. And this one is pretty big because most suppliers give you boring, low quality, watermarked, or simply outdated and fake looking photos. Your product might be amazing, but if your images look dull, nobody's gonna click. Images essentially sell the click. They are the thumbnail, like the thumbnail for a YouTube video. And then the description is what's going to sell the conversion. So if your photos look bad, it doesn't matter how good the rest is. Fix them today. And you don't need to get complicated with an app like Photoshop. You don't need advanced editing skills. All you need to do is use an image generation tool like Nano Banana to quickly clean up your images, change the backgrounds, improve the lighting, or create a different type of lifestyle scene for the product itself. The quality, well, actually, I'm going to be completely honest with you. The quality for Nano Banana is absolutely insane. And it takes like 10 seconds to generate an image. A better image can double your conversion rate almost instantly. And now let's get into the final reason that most people quit dropshipping. And to be honest with you, it's quite simply that you're probably not testing enough products. This is the biggest mindset shift that you need today. Most beginners test one product, maybe two or three. And when they don't take off immediately, they think that dropshipping again doesn't work. And that's not how this business works. People who succeed understand that the winner is usually product number 10, number 15, number 20, or even 30. You're not failing. You're just not testing enough yet. You haven't found that golden nugget or that diamond in the rough just yet. You just have to keep digging. And the fastest way to fix this is by using the AutoDS product importer. And the reason for this is because it lets you add products to your store in literally just a few clicks. The images, the descriptions, the stock, the pricing, the variations, everything is imported and you have the ability to optimize it all automatically from within your dashboard. So instead of manually building listings for hours, you can focus on testing more products a lot faster. So really quick, let's recap everything that you need to fix today, like right now, like right after this video. First, fix your marketing. Test new hooks, tell new stories, post more content. Your hook is the most powerful tool that you have. Second, fix your product selection. Use data, use social proof, and use the AutoDS handpicked products hub so you're not guessing anymore. Third, fix your suppliers. Use vetted suppliers, test them, and stop letting unreliable sellers ruin your store. Fourth, fix your product descriptions. Your wording matters. Use the AutoDS title and description optimizer to clean up your titles and make your listings actually compelling. Fifth, fix your images. Use tools like Nano Banana to make your visuals look as clean and as professional as possible. And finally, just test more products. You're probably far closer to your winning product than you actually think. If you're feeling discouraged, just understand this. Most people quit right before something finally works, right before that breakthrough. But you're watching this video because you're not meant to be most people. You have literally everything that you need right now to turn this entire thing around for you. And if you want the fastest way to put these fixes into action, make sure to sign up for AutoDS, grab your trial for just $1 for the next 2 weeks, and start importing products today. It'll save you time, money, and trust me, a lot of frustration. So if this helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and drop a comment telling me where you're at in your dropshipping journey and if there's something that you're struggling with. And remember, don't quit today. Fix the right things, and your results can change fast. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way till the end. My name is Mario with AutoDS. I'll catch you all next time.